So this hallway needs to be probably sanded down, put the new sand so it has grippiness, and recoat it on top. And then all the edges, not all the edges, but the edges have to be cleaned up. And I see the troweled base is still intact. So maybe in this spot, so maybe that's okay. But there's a lot of damage along the edges. Here the troweling is broken. Here there's horizontal cracks, which might mean it needs to be chipped out as well. Let me see. There's some vertical cracking as well, and horizontal along the bottom, which means it's failed. And then this is a really bad spot. So all this probably needs to be chipped out and recoated. There's some damage above as well that we can fix before you guys start. See, it's all failing. That's the worst spot, but it's really slippery here as well. Same with here. Long horizontal cracks. And then all of the walls, they're gonna be cleaned up before you guys come. And then all the walls need a coat of paint. I would do the same color as in the new building. So yeah, I'll get the drywaller to clean these cracks and patch it as needed before you guys come. All this damage here, damage behind the door. No door painting, no door epoxy for this area. And in this next room, they're gonna move all the equipment out of the way for you. But this room is also slippery and should get a coat of paint. Now the thing here is that it's an electrostatic floor. So we can talk about if we can just throw another electrostatic layer on this or what the options are. And in here, we're probably gonna patch some drywall as well. And we might need a coat of epoxy.